Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's MP Slot Car, and today I have a quick review for you. So I had no intentions of shooting a video this evening, but I got home, had a package waiting on my doorstep, so I figured, why not do an unboxing for you? Now, I ordered this locally. As many of you may or may not know, I'm a huge supporter of local business. Most of the stuff in this build was bought locally, whatever I could get locally. And this is a brand new seller. It's a Slot Car Mancave. I'll put a link in the description below to his website. Be sure to check him out. His name's Brad. He hooked me up with a little bit of an extra treat in my order, which I'll show you as well. It's a neat touch. So without further ado, let's get this open. As you can tell, it's another Ferrari.
It's a Ferrari!
I'm a little bit of a Ferrari nut, duh. And yeah, let's open this up, show you what I got, and I'll show you what else he sent me. So we're at track level now. Let me get this open and show you which Ferrari I ordered here. And it's the Ferrari 488 GTE A, of course, number 51. It's a sweet looking ride, like all the Carrera models are. So let me get this out of the box and get a better look at it. So here it is out of the box. These are one of the newer releases for Carrera. Has all the Carrera branding on it. The number 51. Nice engine detailing. You can see the driver in there. Like I've said before, these are very detailed for what they are. They're basically gonna get beat up and battered on the track. Not by everybody, but you know, some of them do. And they're just very detailed. They're beautiful. Like they're pretty much die-cast models that you can play with. The gold rims are a nice touch with the red paint. And I just like the color scheme on this. It has the Carrera track on it. It's very neat. So this will be a good opportunity to show you what Mr. Brad at Slot Car Mancave included. So he included this. Now you're probably saying, Massimo, what is that? Well, it's a stand for your cars. So let me get you a better look at that. Here's the stand. Little slot for the guide. Put your car on there. There you go. You have a nice stand for your car. This is a good alternative to display your car or store it to prevent the tires from getting warped, because these tend to get warped if they're sitting on a flat surface over time, which will damage your tires. So it's a nice alternative. It's an exclusive product from Slot Car Mancave. Be sure to check it out. Mr. Brad also included some rubber tape, grip tape here, and some magnetic strip tape that you can place on your stand in accordance to the magnets on the car, so the car will stick onto this and not fall off. So it's a nice little touch. Again, it's not something I ordered, he threw it in, and yeah, it's very cool. Check him out. So as you just saw, I did some shakedown laps with the 488. Now let's put it to the test. I'll open up my SmartRace app and see where this slots into with my other GT3 cars. Let's see what she's got.
12 seconds later.
Okay, so I got the SmartRace app running. Let's run some laps and see what she can do.
Three, two, one, go!
Doesn't like that corner. Alright, so we did 35 laps with this car. Actually handles pretty well. Fastest lap was a 5.7, which isn't too bad. I also should mention that I have the cars running at 40% power. That's only because the guys I have over here, when we race, we're racing at 40% until they get a little bit more experience. Otherwise, these times would be a lot quicker. So let's see where the car placed out of all my other GT3 cars. So we're here at the record screen right now. So let's see where we ended up. So in first is the Porsche still, the 911 RSR. Cannot touch that car, basically. It's just out of the box like I did said in my review. It was just untouchable, handles amazing. And as you can see, the time still stands. These other cars in the top 6 have all had something done for them to get as close as they are. Either like the Lamborghini here has some upgraded silicone tires. That's why it's only 100ths of a second off the pace. All the other cars have had sanded tires and had some service done to them. The Porsche is the only one that's still stock, and it's that quick. So our brand new 488 is dead last right now in 6th, almost 800ths of a second off. But I'm sure I could get that time up once I do a little bit of work to the car. So overall, not a bad car, not a bad looking car at all, and I think it would be nice for anyone's collection. So that's it for today. Just a fun little quick review. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. That's it for today. Thanks for joining me. We'll catch you again soon.
What's that sticking out of the hood? The special 390 engine? It's a supercharger. Adds a lot more horsepower.